Do you want to become an expert in the all-new Google Analytics 4 reporting? Keep watching because in just a few minutes, you'll be up to speed on the latest features and benefits of reporting that'll help you make better data-driven decisions for your business. Are you spending your time and money wisely when it comes to online marketing? As a powerful marketing tool that captures a wealth of user insights and website data, GA4 will help you do just that. If you want to make more informed decisions about your marketing efforts, or if you would like to increase the conversion of your visitors, it's critical that you understand your data and what you can do to improve your site in the long term. First off, there are several new reporting features that we've never seen before in previous versions of Google Analytics. To name a few, there's the Lifecycle Collection Reports, the App Developer Collection Reports, and the User Collection Reports. Not to mention, there's also custom reports so that you can suit your metrics to your business's needs. So while the new reports in GA4, our new reports in GA4 give you a comprehensive overview of your website and audience like never before. It includes things such as user acquisition, conversions, and so much more. Let's go through each report one by one so you can see exactly how to make the right business decisions for your website. But before I get into reports that come standard with GA4, first I want to talk about what Google doesn't capture, and that's calls and text messages. Thankfully, thanks to a huge list of integrations provided by Google Analytics, you can now integrate your call tracking software like CallRail into GA4 to view all of your data in one place. Call tracking reports in GA4 are designed to allow you to see the full picture of the user journey. If your website or Google Ads are designed to get people to call or text you, you can now track those conversions inside GA4 and determine exactly what marketing efforts are making your phone ring. Want to understand each stage of your customer's journey, from acquisition to retention? Look no further than GA4's Lifecycle Collection Reports. With these reports, you'll get a comprehensive overview of your customer's journey. This collection includes monetization reports, acquisition reports, and engagement reports. With this data, you can take a look at exactly how you can improve your customer's experience at each stage of the journey. Do you have a keen understanding of the people that use your websites or apps? GA4's user collection reports will do just that. With information such as users' age, interests, devices, and so much more, you now have the information to refine your marketing efforts and improve the experience for all visitors. Calling all app developers, this one's for you. With GA4's App Developer Collection Reports, which include Firebase reports and custom reports, give devs the insights they need to better understand app performance and optimize the experience of their users. Need custom reporting functionality? GA4 has got you covered. GA4 allows you to filter, compare, and segment your data to better understand your website and its visitors. With GA4's custom reports, this means the sky's the limit when it comes to making reports that matters to your business. So, what's the importance of comparisons, filters, and segments? With these features, you can better analyze your website's data. Use comparisons to scrutinize the data of your choice, filters to limit the data that you want to see, and segments to create custom groups of users based on user behavior. Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights about your website and audience. Using GA4 reports will help you make data-driven decisions that will help grow your business. Look out for the next video in this series where we discuss everything you need to know about events. Thank you for watching.